Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the module and linking it to your computer or interface. This gives you MIDI and audio paths. Once done, install the Alesis drivers when prompted so Windows or Mac OS recognizes the kit reliably. Make sure to set the audio sample rate to 48 kHz and pick a 256 sample buffer for low latency without dropouts. You should also check MIDI over USB appears in your DAW's preferences. This is how you'll route triggers to virtual instruments. Next, open your DAW and create a MIDI track for the trigger data, plus 2 audio tracks for the module's stereo outs. You want the module's USB MIDI routed to the MIDI track, and the interface inputs assigned to the audio tracks so you can record both. Once done, enable input monitoring to hear the kit while you play. You should map the Alesis Nitro note numbers to your drum plugin or choose a plugin that auto-maps. That ensures snare, kick, and cymbals hit correct samples. Now you record takes with both MIDI and the module's dry audio, so you can edit MIDI and keep the original feel. Once done, check channel levels and aim for peaks around -12 to -6 dB to preserve headroom. Make light quantize edits or replace samples in the drum plugin, and consider layering module audio for thump. If you experience mistriggers, increase pad sensitivity in the module, lower your DAW buffer for latency, and recheck MIDI note mappings to fix mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.